assemble this. I chose the option of Pro Box so that it's assembled already, as opposed to I have to assemble almost everything. And they said you don't need bystand. So we'll see. Remove all this. The disc brake. Let's put this on the side. Look at this. Here's what it says. And this. And we have this pennant. We got the seat post. It's at the bottom of the box. This is the standard seat post, not the titanium one. So they said you can assemble this in 10 minutes or less, but I'm taking my time trying to show you guys. Looks like alloy, more on aluminum. I don't know. This is the standard that comes if you don't upgrade it. Pro logo. Decent weight. Oh, it has the Pro STN. Side of the bike. And let's remove this. It's just a plastic protector. Let's remove this with a hex. There you go. And the plastic protector. Disc protector here. Let's remove that. Plastic. Let's now put this. There you go. Should be this way. Okay, I think the grease is meant to be there. There you go. I don't have a DI, so no battery inside. I don't have a torque wrench. Okay. As I remove it, I'm checking touch or cut cable. No, it's not. So this tube is squarish. You won't notice it, but I do. I'm expecting of a more rounded one, but I have the Shimano 105 installed, not the Ultegra. There you go. I put this wheel, but as you can hear, it's rubbing the rotor. So now I have to adjust it. This is a hydraulic disc brake. So all I need to do is loosen this. You know what? I'm gonna get another wrench. This one as well. So now that it is loose, I can just press the brake and it will center. And while it is pressed, I can tighten it. Okay, let's check. No more sound. Amazing. So not everything, although I ordered for a pro shipment, meaning they will install it, but they did not. I mean, install it properly. You have to make some adjustments. So aside from missing on 28 mm, they installed the 25 wheels. I think that's okay, but it's just that you really have to follow up and talk with the customer service. Other than that, the frame looks good. Let's see. So here's what the bottom of the frame is. There's the serial number, so it's cabled in. They installed a Continental wheels. Okay, gonna install the pedal. Let me put some W40. Okay, it's this is the reference, so it's clockwise. No, wait, let's try counterclockwise. Because this bike is reversed, so I got confused. There you go. If it's reversed, don't worry, you'll get it. And I was using the left pedal. It's good enough. Other side. Let's put some W40. Do you see it? Yes. It's reverse. If the bike is standing, it's clockwise. Tighten a little bit. There you go. Let's see. Chipping.